Hi everyone and welcome to this series of Webbo3 where I teach you how to use the Webbo3 platform to learn successfully. Yes, this platform serves a greater purpose even more than you can imagine. And I'm here to show you how to successfully use the platform. So everyone knows by now that Webbo3 is an edtech company, and basically what edtech companies do is that they teach people online, virtually. Online, you have online classes, online session, online meeting. But Web3 took things further by introducing a virtual classroom with an AI. So you get to attend classes with an AI, interactive AI, where you can ask the AI questions directly. The AI directs you through the course. So it's a big deal, and I would love to show you how to actually use the platform to learn whatever you want to learn. So currently now, Web3 is currently enrolling for data analysis course and front-end development course. That is what they are currently enrolling for. So now, how do I use the platform? So as someone that wants to learn either front end or data analysis, I'm going to first go and get started with them. So how do you get started? Once you click on the get started button, you have a you have a presentation like this. Now you can either do two things. It's either you sign up with Google or you it's either you sign up with Google or you put in your It's either you sign up with Google or you put in your details manually. So for this class, I'm going to put those manually. So work with me as I do that. So this my username should be CJ. I'll call myself CJ. Then my email, this is my email, and my name. Now I need to put a strong password. I'm putting a strong password. So yes, so just put in something that you can easily remember. And this is a demo account, so I'm just using a demo account. So you can send me update and industry inside this page. So you can just sign up here for free and you get an OTP to verify your mail. So you can check your mail for your OTP. So I'll be opening my mail to check my OTP. It's a one-time password. So you don't need to. I'll take this, copy it, paste it back, and voila. I'll verify my mail. Once I verify my mail, it takes directly to the web page. And I can choose between data analysis or AI powered data analysis. So I'm going to be going for data front-end development. That's the course that is available. And fill up your details. So as soon as I fill up my details, I'll press submit and close. So I'll basically wait for my course to be approved. Basically, so I'll wait for my course to be approved. You can see it says pending review and needs to be approved. So let the admin do the approval. But before that, you receive a mail of being welcome to Webbo3. So you can check your mail for that to receive your mail for your welcome email. So, and immediately you are enrolled, you receive email. So you can see now I'm already, immediately you're approved, you receive email. You can see now I'm already approved. So let's go inside the dashboard and see what we have there. So the first thing you'll be welcome with when you get to your dashboard would be to set up your profile. So I'll just be setting up my profile by looking for a picture to put there as my profile picture. So let me get a profile picture from my laptop to put in. Just look for a random picture. It's a demo account, so I'm just going to be using a random picture. So I'll use this picture, select, then I'll select my name. My name is CJ, remember? Then I'll create my ID card. It basically lets me create my ID card. You can see this is my ID card. Now download the ID card and you'll be needing it for your complete admission. So once you download your ID card, you can go back to your dashboard and you can see everything. First, you see your class, the class you have today. You see your statistics. You see, I'm just a new student. Out of 260 students, I am 269 students basically. And you can see the top people on the leaderboard. You can see this is oversee and it's top in the leaderboard. Also have Samuel. We also have Lucky. So they are the three tops of the leaderboard. You get SP points. Skill points are very, very important at Webbo3. The skill points that will make you to rank here at Webbo3. So you can see these are the virtual classes that we have done before, and you can basically do them. And also to take note that Webbo3 is a like access to your dashboard or access to your portal is on trial, so you have to make subscription, and subscription is just 1,000 naira per week, 1,000 naira per week for access to your dashboard, everything that comes with your dashboard, your attendance, your score, your syllabus. You can always read what was uploaded on your syllabus anytime you want to read. Let's take page 2. Let's read this HTML fundamentals. You can decide to just read materials on your own. Here you can see the materials. You can go to YouTube videos and watch YouTube videos. You can also go to your own code ID where you can code. And if there are assignments, you can check for assignments. There are no assignments. I'm just going to go back to the course. So still on my dashboard, the most important part of this dashboard is your virtual class. So you can enter classroom from here. So I'll decide to enter my classroom, and it is week 1, first HTML. So this is called your virtual class, and it basically just takes you around the material with the AI. So it basically takes you around the material with our AI. So let's go through the virtual class together. So you wait for it to load every time, just trying to prepare the materials for you. You enter your classroom.
You're about to turn a blank file into a fully structured HTML page, and it all starts with that crucial first line, the doc type declaration, which isn't a tag, but an instruction. The thing, by the end of this session, you'll know exactly how to write a correctly structured HTML document from scratch, including the root elements, head, body, headings, paragraphs, and comments, so you can create a valid HTML page that's easy to read and understand. You'll also learn how to spot and fix common mistakes, like placing visible content inside the head element, which is a no-go, or skipping heading levels for visual effects, which can break the outline of your page. Let's dive in and get started, and by the time we're done, you'll be able to take that blank file and turn it into a real web page with a clear structure, and that's a really powerful skill to have. Welcome to the world of web development. You're about to take the first step in creating your very own web page. It's an exciting journey, and by the end of this lesson, you'll be well on your way to becoming an HTML wizard. So, are you ready to get started? It's time to unlock the secrets of web development and create something amazing. You're about to learn the basics of HTML and how to use it to build your first web page. Let's do this. You're one step closer to... As you continue on your web development journey, remember that the only way to do great work is to love what you do. These are the words of Steve Jobs, and they are especially relevant when it comes to web development. You'll be facing challenges and obstacles along the way, but if you love what you do, you'll be motivated to overcome them. So, keep learning, keep pushing yourself, and always remember why you started. You got this, and you're going to create something amazing. The only way to do great work is to love what you do, and you're going to love web development.
So after the whiteboard session, I would have a session where they ask me to take a quiz. So if I want to replay the whiteboard, I can replay it. If I want to take a quiz, I'll just take a quiz. Let me just take my quiz, and so I might not get everything because this is a demo testing. So you can see it's going to reward me XP points. You can say I was rewarded some XP points.
Now let's watch a video lesson that will deepen your understanding. Pay close attention, there will be a few questions afterwards.
So you go on like that, you watch a video based on the class, and you understand what they're teaching in the video, basically. So let's just watch the video.
As we've got tags for text, tags for...
So once you watch the video finish,
in the next lesson we're going to look at the
head tag. Page. Once you watch the video finish, it allows you to take another quiz to gain XP point. Watching the video too allows you to gain XP point. So I'm going to take my quiz. After I get another XP point for taking quiz.
Next up is your reading.
Now it's actually,
take your time with this one.
So this is basically
read carefully, and I will check your understanding when you are done.
You can just read through the materials that we have. So you can take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 20 minutes, or you can just put your course on time. So I'll just be saying 5 minutes, and I'll read through what we have, read through everything, explore the code, explore everything basically, just read through the blog. And so I'll just be skipping this because I'm not watching it. So just take my quiz. There's always quiz for everything to track if you are really learning. So I'll just take my quiz. Done. So now, after I'll move to my practical lab. There's a practical lab, and practical lab is just for you to practicalize what you did.
Time for the practical lab. Follow each task step by step, and click done when you finish each one.
Computer inside the folder, create a new folder. So once you're done, you just click enter. Once you're done, you click enter. Once you're done, you click enter. This is a demo process. So just once you're done, just click enter, click enter, click enter. So when you get to the last
Excellent.
Once you get to the last task,
you completed all the tasks. Now take a screenshot of your result and upload it to finish the lab. Now we move into live coding.
Once you're done,
this is where the lesson becomes real. Read each challenge carefully before you start typing.
So it's going to...
In this challenge, we are building our first real HTML page. Before you start typing, look at the structure of the code carefully. We begin with doctype HTML.
So let me do that.
This tells the browser that we are using HTML5.
Let's try writing the code.
Next, we have the HTML element. It wraps the entire web page. Inside it, we have two main sections, the head and the body. The head contains information about the web page that is not displayed directly on the page. Here, we have a title, which controls the title shown in the browser tab. The body contains everything the user can actually see on the web page. Inside the body, we have an H1 for the main heading. We then have two H2 headings. Each heading is followed by a paragraph using the P element. Your task is to reproduce this code exactly as shown. Pay attention to the opening and closing tags, the indentation, and the structure of the document. Do not add CSS or JavaScript. This challenge is only about HTML fundamentals. Take your time, type the code yourself, and make sure your final result matches the reference code before submitting.
And it's just a simple HTML code. I just open it, so I'm just going to write the code by myself. So dot type. So just do as I do, that's what they mean here. So in capital letter doc type. You can correct. Then we have HTML. This is the best way to learn how to code actually. This is the best way to learn how to code. So write HTML blank. And we have English. Okay, I think I'm wrong there. So you can see the code is going to continue like that. So you can see how beautiful this is. So once I submit, that's when I submit. I know
not quite yet, but that is completely normal.
I didn't finish the code.
In this challenge, we are building a simple About Me web page using HTML. We start with the HTML5 document declaration and create the main HTML structure. Inside the head, we add a title called About Me. This is what the browser will display in the Browser tab. Inside the body, we create the content that visitors will see. We use an H1 for the main heading, H2 elements for our different sections, and P elements for the information under each section. Your task is to reproduce the reference code exactly as shown. Pay close attention to the opening and closing tags, the nesting, spelling, and indentation. Do not add CSS or JavaScript. Focus only on writing the HTML correctly. Once your code matches the reference, you can submit the challenge.
So let's write the code. I'm not going to run because I'm just testing the demo, so I don't.
Not quite yet, but that is completely normal.
So now I'll see my results.
So you've just finished creating your first real web page from scratch, and that's a huge accomplishment. You're now familiar with the doc type declaration, the basic structure of an HTML document, including the HTML, head, and body elements, and you know how to use headings and paragraphs to create a clear structure. Here's the thing, remembering to keep visible content inside the body element and not the head is crucial, and it's also important to use. Now it is time for your final evaluation. Take your time, think each question through, and do your best.
It brings up the questions for me. So I'll just go ahead and answer the questions, and when I fail it. I'm not really reading the questions because of time. It's a demo class. I'm just demoing the platform for you. So let's just answer the questions, and submit. Oh, I got 30%. That's low. So once you are done, it shows you a summary of the results. 60% on quiz, 80% on video, 40% on reading quiz, final evaluation 30%. So when you are done, you just click on finish lesson. And you see it shows me my rating, just one. I didn't really try. So you can post it on X or go back to your dashboard. So I'll just go back to my dashboard from here. And voila, I got my SP points. You can see my SP points just increased to 1,039. And I moved from being 200 and to like 61 position. So that's a win-win for everyone. That's a win-win. So you can also do rewatch. You can rewatch you can enter the new one. So this is a new class for today. You can enter it to learn. So you can see your timetable. You can see your modules. With the assignment, you can get to see assignment here. And see that note I see here for your badges. You get your badges. So getting started badge, your first virtual class badge. I got my first step. And your exams, they'll be also posted here. So you can also visit your profile here. You can change your profile, edit your name. You can change to dark mode if you are not a light mode fan. You can change to dark mode. You can see how beautiful it is on dark mode. Or you can change to light mode too. I'm a light person, so you can check your notifications too and see virtual session graded. And you can see rewatch class you can see reward class, how many sessions I've attended. So that is how the platform works. So I hope you are able to learn and understand and also register now. Thank you very, very much. Have a nice day.